hippos. Get these police officers buckets full. That's a Hungry Hippo game. Players of all ages are participating here at the Blue Ribbon Fair at Liberty Baptist Church. And we're gonna call time in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the balls, drop the balls. None of those balls count. Drop them, drop them, drop them. Officers, please count how many you got. Please count them out. We'll see who's got the blue. 2 million, 2 million. Fantastic. And as they count them out, I'm going to ask, I need teenagers. I need people from the age of 10 and older. I need people ages 10 to 20. People ages 10 to 20 to come out and be a hungry hippo. People ages 10 to 20. You are next. Come on down.